You know, when you're in a relationship, you ask your partner something that is so basic, but your partner acts like you have accused him of some serious crime. Yeah, that's when you know that you are in a wrong relationship. I mean, मुझे लगा this is a normal, responsible conversation to have in every serious relationship, but the way this guy reacted made me question everything about the relationship. मतलब, who is crazier? Is the girl crazy for asking him something so basic, or is the guy crazy for reacting like that? Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well and are also in good health and wealth. I know that I posted a big story time yesterday, and if you haven't watched it, watch that after this video. But today I'm starting something new. This is a mini series, mini story time series, which I've wanted to do for a long time. These are short situational stories from my life, and people around me, my friends, my cousins, my relatives, my colleagues, my subscribers, and by the end of the video I will share what I think, my perspective, who is right, who is wrong, and I want you to share your perspective in the comments. This story is one of those situations जो surface level पे toxic नहीं लगता, but when you deep dive into it you will be like, oh my god, this story is actually very messy. I mean, this story is a perfect example of what happens when somebody's safety clashes with someone's ego, and the outcome, it tells you everything you need to know about that person. So this is episode 1 of the series, and without further delay, let's get into it. So this story has two characters. They are a couple. Let's call the girl Madhu and we'll call the boy Raghav. Madhu and Raghav, they are in a relationship since a year. They are exclusive, they are madly in love, all that cute stuff. अभी 1 साल हो चुका है उनके relationship को, and this is Madhu's first relationship. Before Raghav, she has not been in any sort of a relationship, situationship or any ship. ठीक है, तो ये उसका पहला है. And for Raghav is a bit older than Madhu, so he has been in a couple of serious relationships, some one night stands, some flings, etc. And when he meets Madhu, he falls in love with her simplicity, her innocence, and how genuine she is and everything. So he tells everything to Madhu about his past. He says that, I was in a couple of serious relationships, but then the way my heart broke and the way the relationship ended made me crazy. So I went on a different path, I had multiple one night stands and everything, but I really want to put that in the past and I want to get into a serious relationship with you, because I realized that I'm a very emotional person. I'm not someone who can do a lot of one night stands or be casual with someone. I really want to get into a serious relationship, be in love with that person, marry that person, have babies with that person, grow old with that person. And Madhu understands that. She accepts him with his past. It is very difficult for her to accept because she has never done any of those kind of stuffs, but she has this belief that just because she did not do it, that doesn't mean that she should judge someone else who did it. And now Raghav is honest about it. He wants to put everything behind. He's a changed man, so why not? So when they start dating, Madhu is very skeptical about getting intimate with Raghav. तो वो राघव को बोलती है कि listen, I'm not yet sure if I want to get intimate, because for me it's a big deal, like I can't just get intimate with you. Even though I love you, I want to marry you, I want to have kids with you, I cannot just get intimate with you. I need my space and time. I'll probably take a year or more, or maybe I want to wait till marriage. So if that is something you're okay with, well and good. If not, then we can break up here, like no problem, no bad this. So Raghav says no, I don't mind waiting. I am actually in love with you. I want to wait for you. So it's okay if you take a year or more, or if you want to wait till marriage, I will prove you that I'm a good guy, I'm a better man and I can do anything for you. So this is nothing, this is just waiting and I can live without getting intimate. It's not a big deal. And she says, okay, fine, but do you still wish to watch porn? And he's like, no, I do not want to, because if I watch that I get aroused and everything, then I feel like touching myself and do all those stuffs, and it's not healthy. So I would rather go to the gym, play badminton, be physically healthy and active than just wasting my अंडरस्टूड ना वॉट करके. ठीक है, तो ऐसा उनके बीच में एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है एंड 1 साल बीत जाता है. आफ्टर अ ईयर मधु फील्स दैट ओके, राघव इज एक्चुअली हु ही प्रॉमिस्ड टू बी. ही इज अ बेटर मैन, ही इज अ चेंज्ड मैन एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड शी फील्स लाइक ओके, नो व्हाट, आई कैन गेट इंटिमेट विद दिस गाय. and she also believes that he is loyal to her because she feels कि बहुत सारे ऐसे situations थे where he could have cheated on her but he did not. So she believes he is loyal to her. He's not messing around. He's not going out and getting intimate with others just because she's not getting intimate with him. तो उसको भरोसा रहता है उस पे. So she finally has this talk with Raghav and she tells him that what, I'm finally ready to get intimate with you. I want to get intimate with you and we can have sex. So Raghav is like, are you sure about it? Because I don't want to force you. I don't want you to like get intimate with me out of sympathy, that because I'm waiting for you and everything. I don't mind waiting for you, even if it is still marriage or after marriage, because being with you is important. She's like, no, I want to do it. I'm ready for it. He's like, all right, fine, we will do it soon. Abhi kuch din aur jata hai, they don't do it yet. Okay, they're thinking, where can we go? Should we go for a vacation or something like that, where we'll have that privacy and everything. अब इसके बीच में क्या होता है, मधु is having this second thought in her head. Like, it's second thought aisa nahi ki she doesn't want to get intimate with him, but she's more like, what, before getting intimate with him, I think I have to be careful. She knows that now he's clean, he's been with her for a year, he's not involved with anyone, but because in his past has been very rangila, she's concerned. So she feels like, okay, fine, she should have a proper conversation with Raghav about it. तो वो राघव के साथ बैठती है and बोलती है कि listen, I still wish to be intimate with you, but before getting intimate, can we do one thing that I feel is important for both of us for a healthy sex life and everything. Raghav is like, yeah, sure, what do you want me to do? I can do anything for you, I told. She's like, okay, fine. Lately ऐसा हुआ है कि even when people are not intimate because of their past, because earlier in their life they have been intimate with different people, it has had major impact on their health, their sex life, their personal hygiene routine and everything. So I feel both of us should get some tests done related to STI like HIV, hepatitis, etc., etc. And I'm not just telling because you've had that past. Obviously that is one of the reasons, but I feel both of us should get it done because we both will feel like if there is any issue, if any of the results come positive or anything like that, we can do some routine, some healthy routine, some medications and everything, and once all that is done, maybe then we can get intimate. अब जैसे ही मधु ये बोलती है, राघव gets straight up offended. Like he gets up, like दोनों बैठ के कॉफी शॉप में ये बात करते रहते हैं, and he gets up and he's like, he walks out and he goes towards his car. वो उसके पीछे पीछे आके कार के अंदर आके बैठ जाते हैं, and she's like, what happened? Did I offend you? He's like, this clearly shows that you don't trust me. I was stupid enough to be honest with you about my past. Many guys, they don't even tell their girls about their past, neither do girls. And I was honest with you about everything, about each of my relationship history, my intimacy history and everything. And this is how you reward me. She's like, no, it's not about rewarding. She's like, listen, I appreciate you coming and telling me about your past. I totally appreciate that and I respect that. I'm not judging you for your past. Obviously, that is not something which I would have chosen. If I would have gone through some serious relationship breakups, I would have just taken a break to heal myself. I would have not gone for one night stands and get intimate and hooked up with every next person in the club or something like that. That is not something which I believe in. And I tried my best to not judge you, and I don't want to judge you because you are a good man. I love you. I really love you. But this is something which is about my safety as well as your safety. Maybe now you are healthy, but earlier, probably because of your physical relationships with people, you might have gotten something, and that can affect your health also, your safety also, as well as my health and safety. So just for our health and safety, can we please get these tests done? I am also willing to get my test done. He's like, no, you don't want to get your test done. Why would you get your test done? You have not gotten intimate with anyone. You're just doing it, because you want to show that even you are willing to do test. Basically, तेरे को बस चाहिए कि मैं मेरा टेस्ट करवाऊं. She's like, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. मेरे को चाहिए कि हम दोनों टेस्ट करवाएं for our safety. He's like, तू अपनी ईगो में क्यों ले रही है बात? I'm sorry if I offended you, but but I am really looking forward towards our safety. Why is your ego more important than our safety? And he's like, no, मैं test नहीं करवाऊंगा. कुछ भी हो जाए मैं test नहीं करवाऊंगा. She's like, you know what? It's fine. Probably you are right in your own way, but even I am right in my way for demanding this, and I will demand my safety. You are not worried about your safety, but I am worried about my safety. So I will not continue with getting intimate with you. I have decided to not move forward with sex. He's like, yeah, fine, it's okay. You don't want to. And she's like, yeah, and I also want to break up with you. And he just looks at her and he's like, why do you want to break up with me? She's like, because you say that you will do anything for me, you will do this for me, that for me and everything. लेकिन मैं तुमसे एक basic चीज मांग रही हूँ. I want you to be healthy for me. I want us both to be healthy for each other, and for that I want these tests to happen. Like, I want to get these tests done, you know, and you can't even do that. So why should I be in a relationship with someone like you? Like, you know what, for me, boundaries around health and safety is very important, and if you can't respect my boundaries around health and safety, then why should I even be with you? Because whatever issues we are facing right now, it's going to amplify after marriage, you know. So I don't want to take it to that level. And he's like, yeah, fine, let's break up. So dono break up karte, and then they block each other, and then they never contact each other again. So what do you think? Who is right, who is wrong? Now, my perspective here is, I understand why Raghav got defensive. Okay, like I totally understand. उसको ऐसा लगा होगा कि ये मेरे पास्ट के बेसिस मेरे को जज कर रही है, इसको ऐसा लगता हो कि मैं अभी भी जाके लड़कियों के साथ इंटीमेट होता हूँ, and she just wants to get these tests done so that she can know if I am still physically active with others or not. Maybe वो personally वो चीज में offend हुआ रहेगा, but I think he should have just kept that aside and understood where Madhu is coming from. Like, if Madhu can trust Raghav despite all this, even Raghav can trust Madhu's judgment. Like, he should have just sat down with her and asked her that, why do you think you need to get these tests done? And she explained him, right? So he should have just बिलीव हर जजमेंट. यार, तुम जब रिलेशनशिप में होते हो ना, एक दूसरे पे भरोसा करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. लाइक, आई अंडरस्टैंड पीपल डू बिट्रे यू एंड ब्रेक योर ट्रस्ट, बट इनिशियली यू हैव टू रेस्पेक्ट दैट पर्सन एंड ट्रस्ट दैट पर्सन, एंड यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि वेयर दिस पर्सन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम. इन अ रिलेशनशिप इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज टू पीपल अगेंस्ट ईच अदर, इट्स टू पीपल अगेंस्ट द प्रॉब्लम्स, यू नो. एंड आई थिंक मेनी पीपल फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इतने सारे ब्रेकअप्स होते हैं. अगर राघव एक टाइम के पास बैठ के समझता कि यार, मधु इज नॉट अगेंस्ट मी, Madhu just wants our relationship to get better, healthier, and if this test can help her clear all her doubts, make her feel better, so I'm willing to give that test, you know. That's it. It was that simple, but instead बंदे ने अपने ईगो में लिया, फिर उसने झगड़ा किया, and then मधु ने भी झगड़ा किया, and breakup हो गया. So such a nice relationship ended because of ego clash and misunderstanding and miscommunication and everything. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about this? And with that, we come to the end of episode 1 of my mini series. And again, I'm sharing my Google Doc in the description, so you can share your mini stories, your big stories, your confessions there. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.